So, Maureen, tell us, what exactly does the Connolly Cup signify? What does it mean when you win one?
Well, when you're the recipient of one, it means you scored the highest or had the greatest rate of improvement over the year. And so you're literally in competition with all of the acute cares, hospitals, all the various OPI sites, and the 3 entities in post-acute. We use Press Ganey data for that to really show that you are worthy of this award. It's due diligence every day, every time, every patient.
My mother actually lived here for 11 years, and she sort of terrorized most of the staff here. So I have a very special spot in my heart for all of you and for Oakwood Commons and for everything that you do day in and day out to keep all the people here happy and as they're kind of moving into the retirement age. And your organization is the winner of the Connolly Cup, which is a cup that recognizes service excellence or patient excellence or customer excellence and satisfaction.
To work here among these residents, you have to really enjoy working with people because you have a lot of different things that you have to deal with. And to be able to approach each one with a smile is really saying something special.
I learn a lot from the residents, and we get along great. We have fun. Some of them help me make their beds. We joke around a lot.
I think our secret is that the staff love their jobs. They love being here. They love the residents. They wouldn't work anywhere else. This is their home along with the residents' home.
We're proud of working here at Oakwood. It's the best place I can recommend to anybody,
It's my pleasure to announce that because of your commitment to your patients, Oakwood Healthcare Center, Newport, has received the Connolly Cup for physician practices for the 2nd year in a row. And you scored in the 93rd percentile in the country for patient satisfaction in physician clinics. That's a big deal.
What is kind of the secret at the practice for delivering great patient experience?
I would say that the secret is trying to treat the patients like they're your family, trying to treat them the way you would hope a doctor or a nurse or an office staff would treat your mom or your grandma.
I love getting to know the patients a little closer than maybe just checking in, checking out. I get to spend time in the room with them, and I love my patients.
I would say that they exemplify what we aspire to achieve in each of our practices, and they really are a wonderful example for this.
This is the 2nd time your practice has won. I understand the first time you were coming back from maternity leave and saw this beautiful cup on your desk, and what did you just have to do at that point?
Yeah, well, I was gone on maternity leave, so I couldn't attend the receiving ceremony to get the cup, but the cup was back at the office, and I came back and I had this gorgeous little baby, and I looked at the cup and I said, that looks like a perfect place for a baby. So she's a bit too big this year to do the same thing.
We just need a bigger cup.
We need a bigger cup.
So on behalf of the entire Oakwood community, the board of directors, I'd like to present to you the Best in Service Excellence for the Acute Care Division, the Connolly Cup. Congratulations. Great job to you and your team.
Thank you, Brian.
Thank you.
Patients come first means to me that we always consistently work together on behalf of our patients. We work as a team, we have strong, cohesive teams, and we always, in every department, put our patients first.
Always been that type of a place that is more like a family atmosphere. People tend to look out for each other, whether you're staff, and a lot of our patients we tend to get to know over time, so they become kind of your hospital family also.
Listening to their needs and their comments and continuously making improvements to get to that point where they feel like they're very special and they're the only one and they're center of our care every time, every patient, every day.
With the nursing team, we really want to just develop that sense of trust with the patients and really feel like they're involved in the patient's care and that they make the patients feel important.
What are you hearing from patients? Maybe patients who came years before and now are coming back to the hospital.
Hearing that this is not the same hospital that they came to in the past, that something's changed, there's more energy, people seem to love their jobs, and that they're going to come back as this is their hospital of choice.
It comes out in our comments from our surveys, and also people just dialogue and rounding on patients and say, boy, you guys have really improved a lot here. Your staff's very caring, they care about me as a person, and you've made a different hospital.
I remember years ago people would stop me in the parking lot to comment about an issue about Oakwood, and I'd kind of go, oh boy, now what am I going to hear? And now every time I get stopped, somebody tells me what a wonderful experience they had either in a physician's office or in the hospital. So I just want to thank all of you for your hard work and your contributions. So it does make a difference. So I want to thank you for that.